My name is Dan Rafferty. I am Vice President for Business Development with Natural Currents New England. Natural Currents New England is a tidal energy company. We deploy tidal turbines into tidal zones to create electricity. We are headquartered in New Bedford, Massachusetts, where we've been located for the past year. Our manufacturing and assembly facility is being organized right now in New Bedford in the what were originally the Berkshire Hathaway textile mills. We intend to work with the city of New Bedford and also UMass Dartmouth. We're working on the concept of creating green jobs and stimulating economic renewal in the South Coast region of the area for basically a renewal which involves green jobs and renewable energy at all levels. This company is in its middle prototype stage. We're testing and developing turbines which will go into tidal zones where we have permitted areas from Maine to Alaska along the coast of the United States. These areas are permitted by the Federal Energy Regulatory Commission as power-producing sites. The turbines which we deploy in fields will create anywhere from 200 to 300 kilowatts in a field up to close to 1,000 megawatts per field eventually. In our business plan, we look at a potential for power production beginning this summer, growing each year by probably great multiples as we move to a 5- and 10-year program, which will bring us close to potentially a several thousand megawatt output in the United States. We have technology which is unique in its capability to produce energy efficiently from the ocean. Simplicity of our designs will allow us to deploy scalable technology. One unit as small as 25 kW can be built in the same format, the same engineering design, up to the several megawatt size. This will create economies of scale in the deployment costs of producing electricity from fields which have smaller numbers of large turbines rather than large numbers of smaller turbines in multiple arrays. This makes the grid connection a lot more functional and, as I said, it creates economies of scale to bring down cost. We will be in a very relatively cost-effective scenario within the first 2 to 3 years, we believe. At the same time, we're expecting to be competitive with wind costs within that same time frame. Right now, I would say that our major plan is to get our prototypes tested in fields where the communities become involved. The community building and the economic development aspect of renewable energy can be a great engine, a driver for economic renewal in areas that need that type of help. But globally, in today's world, I think renewable energy and the jobs that are created, the clean, efficient, environmentally friendly technologies such as tidal energy will be the economic development engine, the community building engine of the future. We look forward to providing not just the utility scale, commercial scale, large systems, which we are working on, but also in communities that need renewable and less expensive energy, from the coastal villages of Alaska to the small towns of Maine, all throughout New England and parts of the West Coast. We'll be working with communities to develop projects where this power, this clean renewable energy can be made available through the communities, lower cost, and provide environmental benefits from this renewable sector. So my name is Dan Rafferty. This is Natural Currents New England. We're in New Bedford. We're looking forward to an economic renewal project there that will be very exciting. We're also working in Cambridge and the Boston area to do a lot of our technology development. Thank you.